Hi folks, I want to ask you, do you like the direction in which the WordPress plugin business and the whole uh, WordPress plugin industry is heading? So I see more and more sales pages like this one for NewsBuilder, uh, which is a funnel page where just there are a bunch of false statements. They state that you earn hundreds of dollars, thousands of dollars in 14 days with automatic blogs, and they are just fooling people. So this is the current WordPress plugin industry as I see it, which part of it is growing exponentially. So people are creating similar funnel pages like this one, which are catchy to the eye, and at the bottom you will have a buy now button, and when you buy the actual product you will get with junk. Yeah, so there's a spectacular sales page with claims that will be extraordinary, and when you get the product it's junk, man, it's junk. This is the actual WordPress plugin industry to which we are heading. So we should change this. And don't know, guys, but if we go to Twitter and search for, I'm not targeting expressly NewsBuilder because it's copied after a plugin of mine. No, no problem with it. Search for any plugin that sells on similar funnel pages, hit enter on Twitter, hit enter on Google, and you will see reviews for the plugins, which are actually affiliates promoting the plugins. These are not actual reviews. All are affiliate sites. And if we search for real review, honest review, everyone will claim that it's a honest review there. But actually they're all affiliates. If we go to Google and search for NewsBuilder or any similar plugin, don't forget, you will see similar results. All have great bonuses to give. They are all affiliates. However, if we go to Code Canyon and check one of my plugins, the Newsomatic plugin, after which the NewsBuilder was copied, if we go to its description page, you will see info from where you can get sources, what the plugin can do. This is a demo page, tutorial video, requirements. These are actually information that is helpful for the customer, as I see it personally. This is how people should build sales pages, not like this, that promises results, and besides of this it does not give any info. Also, if we go to reviews on my plugin, you will see actual reviews from actual customers. So yeah, this perplexes me, and you will see not perfect reviews. So this is my best thing when I check a product and see also imperfect reviews. I have the feeling that this is a real review. So if you see only 5-star reviews on a product, you should be double checking it. It might be a great product actually, but it might also be false advertisement. So if we check for lowest ratings, I also have a 1-star review from a customer that did not manage to make it work. I contacted him, but he did not respond, and the 1-star review remained. So yeah, so guys, I hope you, I don't know, give me your opinion on this, on what's the direction for the WordPress plugin industry. Are we heading to this kind of pages? Should I also build this kind of pages for you? Do you like this? Or should I remain to my actual sales pages from now? And I don't know, I'm waiting for your feedback. Maybe I should start building similar pages myself. Okay, so until next time, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and yeah, go and check my plugins. Maybe you will see some value in them. Okay, until next time, bye bye.